I'm sure that none of you neglect your laundry, but I certainly had in the last week or two, possibly. And I had about 8 loads of laundry that I needed to catch up on and was completely dreading it. This is my second cup of coffee for the day to mentally prepare. And I don't know why, but all I could think about was like a sailor on a ship, like mopping. I don't know why they mop poop over the side. That's probably not even real, but that's how I felt today.
Goes away, my boys, and goes away. Farewell to college joys, we sail at break of day. Through our last night on shore, drink to the foam, until we meet once more. Here's wishing you a happy voyage home.
At the same time as trying to get the laundry done, I was also going through the kids' clothes and getting rid of stuff that was too small because I had just gone to Once Upon a Child, which is a great secondhand kids store, and got them some new school clothes for this year. So right in the middle of filming, my good friend Melissa, one of my best friends in the world, FaceTimed me because she wanted to show me what she got in her most recent Grove order. And I love hearing what everybody gets and all the smells that they like and all the different products that they like. I just think it's fun. Thanks for calling, Melissa. I love these wool dryer balls. They're kind of like dryer sheets / get your clothes dried faster balls. And you can also put some drops of essential oils on them. They're great. You can also get those on Grove's website. So I don't know if you've noticed that I haven't... Oh, there she goes again. Always has to be in front of the camera. Always doing dances. I totally forgot this was in here. So what I was saying, I don't know if you guys noticed that I don't separate my laundry by colors. I just gotta throw it all in there and wash it on cold. Especially on days like today when there's just too much. I just can't. I was literally being buried under all of our clothes. This bin for lonely socks or socks that don't have a match, and whenever I come across them in the laundry, I kind of go back to that little bucket and see if its match is in there. Weird victory dance. Woohoo! Last load. It felt so good to get to this point. I decided with my extra energy to just wipe everything down and make it feel clean, and I was done, or so I thought.
Oh, a great study fit when it's so boring that you have to clean up. Or maybe you couldn't clean up on this day. You would do something else.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. I love you guys and see you next time.